Greetings, explorers. Look at this beautiful earth. The very first video that I posted, the title is I Flew My Drone Through a Train Bridge, and it happened right here in the area on the border of Texas and Oklahoma, where this amazing train bridge is. Right here, I believe this city or this town is called Covert. There we go. And then zoom in. The length of this says it's about 0.16 miles. So this is where everything started for me. The very first video, the spark that started it all. Fast forward into late July or August of last year. In 2025, I was heading to Oklahoma again to go visit family, and as I crossed the border on 35, I noticed another train bridge. I said, oh my gosh. So on the way back, I stopped over here just to kind of check it out because I did have my drone, but it was not the right time for me. So I decided I'm going to get on Google Earth and just check everything out first and do my planning. And boy, did I do a lot of planning. Everything from where am I going to park? Am I going to hike? Am I going to go down these roads? Am I going to get to the end of this place? It's just a lot of questions that were not answered. Fast forward into March of 2026. I was speaking with my friends Mark and Sheri that both love to fly drones as well, and we decided to head out on a Saturday. It was a beautiful day, and I said, I've got the perfect spot. It was actually perfect for us because Mark and Sheri acted as visual observers. Mark had his drone to make sure that everything was going to be safe. We started in this area, and then we thought this was not going to be good, so we came back and set up station. They stayed right here, Mark and Sheri, while I hiked down to this area and, just kind of feel it all out. There was a train that did pass by. We were able to get that filmed. That was amazing. So the next thing is, was I able to fly my drone through the bridge this time? We'll find out. Stay tuned. So this path that I'm coming down is actually okay, and if you guys want to come down here, you can.
Okay, we might do that.
You'll find me at the end of the path.
Okay, I think it's already in the air, so it'll be a bit.
That's fine. I am really close to this bridge.
Okay, sounds good.
Train. session 2. The first one was the train bridge, and now we're at East Burns Park, Lake Texoma, and I believe we're on the Oklahoma side. Look at that beautiness. Found a vacant spot over here that we can kind of just hang out in for a little bit. What's inside? Gotta watch out because there's some wasps hanging out over here, so don't wanna get stung. What nature does, man, it's so beautiful. Photo mode. If you're enjoying these filters that I'm applying to my clips here, head over to Dehancer.com and get 10% off. Use promo code IKE10. Just keep your eyes on any trains that are coming so I can abort mission.
Will do.
All right, man. My nerves are shaking. Oh my God, here we go. Oof. I did it, man. Oh my God, I did it.
Congrats, man.
I did it. I did it, man. I did it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, I was shaky going through there. I don't care, man. I did it. I did it, man. I got it. I did it. Oh. All right, I'm packing her up and hiking back. This is awesome. Hey, man, we did it.
That was a good one.
Yeah, thank you. Well, mission accomplished. That was a long train too, I'll tell you that much. The second train bridge accomplished right there on the Red River. Thank you, Mark and Sheri, for being the visual observers, and also Mark having his drone up in the air. To any of you that know of a place in Texas that there is an abandoned train bridge, send me the name of it, the link, and we can go from there. Thank you again. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. Until next time.